Welcome back to Philosophy Online tutorial. We've been discussing research methodology, and in this short uh, tutorial, we'll be talking about research proposal and referencing. Okay, now when we talk about research proposal, it is uh, like a form of research that is that tells us what a research work will be about. Okay, so a research proposal is different from a research work in terms of the language. Okay, so when we say a research proposal, the language is in a research proposal is that of the future tense. Okay, and the language used in a normal research work is that of the past tense, okay, of something that has been done. Okay, so now a research proposal is helpful for letting the our supervisor or those we intend the research to be to reach, okay, for them to understand our intention of carrying out that research proposal, and why and how we are going to carry out that research. Okay, so like I said earlier, the language of a research proposal, in a research proposal, you see the researcher will be using uh, questionnaire to gather information. The researcher will carry out his research in Iba local government area. You see that I'm using the word will because they are future tense. Okay, and a research proposal do not exceed the first three chapters of a normal research work. That is, a research proposal will have an introduction, a literature review, and methodology. Okay, but everything in these chapters, the word will, okay, shall, are the common words that are going to be used, because it is telling us what and the researcher is going to do, why the researcher wants to do that, how the researcher is going to do it. Okay, so but a normal research work, you will see the researcher carried out his research using Ojo local government area, using schools in Ojo local government area. You see that the language has changed to past tense. Okay, so that is for a research work. Okay, now uh when we talk about, like I said earlier, please note that the first three parts of a normal research project, a normal research work that has been done, is what we have in a proposal. That is the chapter one introduction, which contains the background to the study, statement of problem, and so on, the literature review, and the methodology. Okay, now the next one is referencing, and referencing in research has to do with citing or major works that were used when we are collecting data in a research work. Okay, so now referencing does not limit to just books. It could be journals, articles, it could be interviews that we administer, video, any format. Okay, but when we are citing all these things that we used, that is what we call referencing. Okay, now there are different style of style sheet of referencing. We have the APA style, which is the American Psychologist Association style. We have the modern language style, which is the MLA. We have the Chicago manual style, which is the CMS. Okay, so now we have different referencing style. Now you can always identify those referencing style by how it is being done. Okay, so for example, the APA style, you will when we reference using the APA style, we have the surname of the author first, comma, the initials of the author, the year of publication, the title of the book, the town it was published, and the publisher. Okay, so for example, if I write a book, then you want to reference it, the title of the book is be at peace. Okay, so the first thing is to add my surname Oladoja, comma, my initials Oladoja Ayomide Samuel, that is AS abi, so Oladoja, comma, A dot S, open bracket, then you put the year I wrote the book, 2013, you close the bracket, full stop, then the title of the book, Be at Peace. Okay, then full stop, where did I publish this book? Lagos. Okay, Lagos, comma, who is the publisher? Lasso Printing Press, Lasso Printing Press, full stop. Okay, but in the manual style, the year of publication comes last. Okay, that is one of the difference between the manual style and the APA style. Okay, so I advise you actually go online or check any material where you can actually get a good picture of how to reference using either APA style, using either the MLA style or the CMS style. So that will be for uh, research proposal and for research referencing. Thank you so much for listening.